Curious. A housefly walks into a tiny science experiment. It gets a small puff of air every time it touches a specific spot. And here's the weird part. It learns to stop touching the spot. Serious. That's learning, real actual learning, from a brain the size of a sesame seed crumb. Soft. Okay, back up. A housefly has about 100,000 neurons. Your brain has 86 billion, so scientists assume flies were basically little robots running on instinct. Surprised. Turns out, that's not how that works at all. Curious. Researchers have been testing fly brains for decades, and flies keep doing things they're not supposed to be able to do. Soft. They can learn smells. Pair a smell with a tiny shock, and the fly will avoid that smell later. Pair it with sugar, and they'll chase it. Curious. They can learn shapes. They can learn colors. They can even learn to ignore stuff that used to scare them. Soft. That last one has a name. It's called habituation. And it's the same basic learning your brain does when you stop noticing the AC humming. Curious. Here's where it gets stranger. Flies have something kind of like short-term and long-term memory. Soft. Train a fly once, and it remembers for a few minutes. Train it over and over with breaks in between, and the memory can last days. Serious? Days. For an animal that lives about a month. Soft. Think about that. Spaced repetition. The thing your teachers begged you to do for finals also works on a housefly. Curious. And there's more. Flies seem to make decisions. In one experiment, they were given a hard visual choice. Their reaction time got longer when the choice was tougher. Serious. That's not instinct. That's something thinking. Or at least something close enough that scientists had to stop and stare. Surprised. They even show signs of attention. A fly's brain can focus on one thing and tune out the rest, which means the fly bouncing off your window is, in some small way, choosing to ignore you. Soft. So can a housefly learn? Yes. Smells, shapes, threats, rewards. They learn fast and they remember. Soft. They're not solving math problems. They're not writing poetry, but they're also not the dumb little buzz machines we thought they were. Soft. 100,000 neurons, a lifespan shorter than a Netflix subscription, and still, somewhere in that pinhead brain, a fly is figuring stuff out. Soft. Maybe swat a little gentler next time. If you like this, subscribe to Sci-Bite for more.